Hi everyone, welcome to the Thinking Crypto YouTube channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the thumbs up button. Guys, we're seeing governments around the world are releasing their respective crypto regulations. They cannot ignore crypto anymore. It is the new asset class. It's here to stay and it's on the rise. Just this past week, the Indian Supreme Court, of course, removed the ban that really stopped banking and financial services for crypto exchanges and crypto startups. So those folks now have banking services. We saw South Korea yesterday release their full cryptocurrency regulations. And today we got news that French Commerce Court likens Bitcoin to currency in recent ruling. So this is interesting. A French Commerce Court has classified Bitcoin as a currency during a recent trial. Local news outlet Les Echos, if I'm saying that right, on March 5th reported that the Commercial Court of Nanterre decided on February 26 to qualify Bitcoin as a fungible, interchangeable asset that is not individualizable, just like fiat money. The ruling was part of a dispute between a French cryptocurrency exchange, Paymium, and alternative asset investment firm Bitspread. Per the report, Paymium loaned 1,000 Bitcoin, which is over $9.1 million at press time, to Bitspread in 2014. When holding the least 1,000 Bitcoin, Bitspread also got a hold of 1,000 Bitcoin Cash when the hard fork creating the altcoin was carried out in 2017. Now, the two parties are disputing the rights of the Bitcoin Cash worth over $350,000 as of press time. So very interesting. And like I said, guys, the governments around the world are recognizing this new asset class. It is no longer magic internet money or some sort of Ponzi scheme. They recognize the birth of this new asset class. And like I said, it's on the rise, guys. And we continue to see millions, I'm talking millions, and probably it's going into the billions now when you add it all up, of investments into the crypto infrastructure and market. We're seeing folks are buying up the assets themselves, Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, and so forth, but also building out hardware, software, services, and solutions, right? They're making acquisitions, partnerships, they're doing expansions, and all of that requires money, guys. It requires talent, resources, right? They have to hire, they have to have the money, they have to get the investments. And that's why I try to share that type of news here with you guys, because it shows that smart money, big money is operating behind the scenes. These things are not making major headlines, but they are happening. So crypto exchange, OkCoin appoints new CEO to drive U.S. expansion. So once again, their keyword, expansion. What does that require? Money. So OkCoin has named its chairman, Hong Fang, the cryptocurrency exchange's new chief executive, announced Friday. Fang, who also served as the San Francisco-based company's chief operating officer, will replace the current chief executive, Tim Bun. She will lead an effort to further develop the firm's crypto trading products for customers in the United States as well as across Asia and Europe. So that's a great sign, guys. Continued expansion and investment. And the market's not doing nothing crazy right now, right? Prices, of course, are far away from the all-time high, which we saw of like Bitcoin 20,000 in 2017. Ethereum close to, I believe it was 1,500, if I'm not mistaken, and XRP was at $3.80. So we are certainly not close to that, and there's not a ton of volume happening right now, right? There's not the FOMO, but they know, guys, the cycle, it's going to come back again. And that is why we as the long-term holders have the opportunity to make significant returns. Now, another example, exchange technology developer AlphaPoint raises $5.6 million in the latest funding round. So once again, millions being poured into the technology and software and so forth. Exchange software provider AlphaPoint has secured funding it says will finance the development of sophisticated trading features. The New York-based firm said Thursday it successfully raised $5.6 million in an additional funding round, taking its total capital raise to $23.9 million. Now, why are they getting this investment money, guys? Really think about it. Why is smart money putting their money, hard-earned money, into this, right? who has millions to just throw away? Maybe Bill Gates, but even he is smart with his money, right? So established in 2013, AlphaPoint provides trading software used by 150 exchange clients around the world. That's pretty significant. The company added support for security token offerings, STOs, a year ago, and margin trading features in November. So they are the, kind of the backbone, the software supplier for many of these exchanges. And looks like they are getting more money because they're expecting more business. More exchanges, and the exchanges themselves are expecting more business from institutional investors, from retail investors, as we go through the next bull cycle. Another example here, guys. INX 130 million IPO to launch next month as exchange seeks New York bit license. Many of you know about the New York bit license. Binance US is currently trying to get theirs. It takes some time, but everybody had to get a Coinbase and every exchange, right? It's just how you have to operate, and do business in New York. So INX Ltd has entered the home stretch for its 130 million initial public offering, or IPO, potentially the largest registered security sale by a company in the blockchain sector. The cryptocurrency and security token exchange startup is targeting an April launch date for the IPO. People familiar with the situation said INX is about to kick off a series of presentations to potential investors known as a roadshow, which was originally supposed to start in January, the sources said. The firm has hired a European investment bank to act as a lead underwriter for the IPO, they said. INX, listen to this, is positioning itself as a mature, dutifully compliant exchange, eschewing the beg for forgiveness, don't ask permission practices that have defined the crypto industry for the most of its history. Unlike initial coin offerings that claimed exemptions from securities laws by arguing their tokens weren't investments or by selling only to wealthy investors, INX is registering with the SEC so it can solicit the general public. The process has taken the company 2 years. So they've been working on this for a while, guys. And I want you to think about this one here, right? Because, like I said, the market's not in a great place right now. I think it's pretty steady. We're trying to work our way back up. And these people are looking to get in and take some market share. You have already big players in the market, as far as exchanges, Coinbase, you got Binance, and many others. And then about back launching their respective app, which is going to allow you to do crypto trading and obviously provide custody services, Fidelity, TD Ameritrade, all these folks, RSX. So it may seem like it's going to be a crowded market, but keep in mind how big this thing is going to get. And that's what people still don't see, the vision of how big this market's going to get with what is taking place, the building, the government's on board, and big money getting in. That is why they're investing the money. They're able to raise money to expand, buy out other companies, and do their thing, guys. Set up shop. And I'm excited. It's an exciting time to be in the market. I've mentioned before, I've gotten into the market since 2016. I wish I had news like this because I would have bought more and made some good money in 2017. But I ain't missing the train this time around, guys. I'm stocking up, buying the dips, not financial or investment advice, and getting ready for the next parabolic run up. Guys, what do you think about this news and all the investment that is taking place? Leave your thoughts and comments below. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you all later.